description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one all the way from Nepal. This is YY with their Dynamite Extra Spicy Chicken. And I've got chicken. So let's give this a try. Okay. What's the situation today? Take this out. I think we're good. We are good. We're grooving. Drop it in the noodles, and they're going to take a ride in the boiling water for 5 minutes. And this is going to be the last one I'm doing this week. Wow. Don't worry. It'll be Monday the next time I do some. And for you, that'll be tomorrow. It's still just blowing my mind. I'm doing episodes of the show that are coming out next year. And it's April or August. And it's not like, oh, well, you know, I'm having episodes come out next year. I'm just going to schedule them because that's the scheduling spot I want to put them in. I have episodes all the way up until then. That's a lot. But summer's really been good to me as far as that goes, because there's been a lot of days where I can just like hang out at home and chill with the kids, do this, get my work done. Once they're back in school, I'm taking a break. I think I'll probably take almost all of September, maybe almost all of October off of doing this. Maybe do some top 10 work. But other than that, yeah. I think by the time they go back to school, I'll be easily 200 reviews ahead. And that's insane. I'm definitely over 180 days of episodes ahead. I'm probably got episodes that are coming out right now in like February, or rather posts. So I just like to keep it rolling, trying new things every day. You know, it's nice. It's kind of the whole deal. That's what I do. I like what I do, it's fun. I'm curious how 2X-y this will be. I'm going to make this one dry. You can make it dry or as a soup. I think making it dry will be better. Just see how really super hot this actually is. I'm gonna make a beverage, hold on. Alright, I'm back. So, I don't know, I like these clear sparkly water beverages that are cheap. But they take up a lot of room. So I get stuff like, kind of like Crystal Light. It's not bad. I mean, it does the trick. I just need a liquid beverage, that's all. Really not much to them. But I say my water beverage thing, the powdered water, that's what my daughter calls it. Can I have some powdered water? Yeah, I get you. What's funny is these powdered drink things call for like, you're supposed to just put them in a 16-ounce water bottle, like a 500 ml. Oh my god, it's just so strong if you do that. I put it in close to, I mean, I've got like a 32-ounce bottle here, and I almost fill it all the way up, but it's tasty enough. Ah, beverage. Okay. Just about time. I'm gonna throw the veg in here right now. Methinks. Because I forgot. Yeah, it's got peas in it. Uh-oh. Alright. So, hopefully that's long enough to hydrate peas. I won't dock any points for that. Although, I don't think it tells you to do that. I don't know. Alright. 2x spicy. What? Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know why, but I get a phone call almost every day from Mexico City. I don't know anybody in Mexico City. If they really want to, they're more than welcome to leave a message. But they never do. Whoa. No, that's not a voicemail. I was like, did you? Whoa. But I feel like, I don't know if I want to answer that. Not because they're in Mexico City. I have no problem with Mexico. I'm just like, I know there's scams out there, so. If it was somebody who really, really wanted to get a hold of me, they'd leave a message. The only people I know in Mexico, and even honestly, I really don't even know them anymore because I end up at their PR wall, is Nissan Foods Mexico. I don't think I've worked with any other Mexican instant noodle companies. That's it. That's the only thing I know about. So, all right. Let's give this a whiff. That smells spicy. I'm not gonna lie, that does smell spicy. Let's try this in my face. I have 12 minutes to garnish this and start cleaning up. I think I'll be fine. Cheers. Mmm. That brings it. Definitely can say it's a spicy chicken. It's got a nice amount of cumin, and I believe I saw that in the ingredients for the vegetable sachet. It has cumin leaf, and I think that's great. Strong adherent to cumin. Oh, wow, I really like the flavor. Wow, that is burning. Okay. That means business, folks. I guess I should take another bite. It's got a brightness and a tanginess. Definitely has cumin. Wow, that is an angry noodle. That's what I have to say about that. Okay. So we got to make it look nice. Wow, it's getting windy outside. It's like it decided to start fall today. Tease the noodles out a little bit. Drop a love egg on top. Chicken. Wow. Yeah, that's hot. That's not like playing around. That is really hot. Wow. Woo. Whew. Yeah, wow. I didn't know what to expect. I don't know, I kind of did after I tried that, their cheese variety. That definitely did have a good punch to it. Their spicy cheese. That's easily doubly spicy. So, an apt nomenclature. Whew. I do believe, you'd know this by now. No. Yeah, I don't know. I may be retiring my duties of doing mukbang. It's just a lot of... It's not very fulfilling to enjoy a bowl of noodles at warp speed. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, this is a good one to end the week on. It's still burning. Good front of mouth heat. Good flavor, too. It's almost slightly creamy. It's interesting. Very, very worthwhile to find this stuff. I recommend it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Enjoy your noodles each and every day. If you're a spicy junkie, this will work for you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.